The International Commerce Centre, ICC, is a prominent skyscraper located in the Kowloon area of Hong Kong. It is a key feature of Hong Kong's skyline and is known for its impressive height and modern design. Designed by Kohn Pedersen Fox Associates and Wong and Ouyang, HK Limited, the ICC was constructed between 2002 and 2010. Standing at approximately 484 metres, 1,588 feet, tall, it is the tallest building in Hong Kong and ranks among the tallest buildings in the world. The ICC has 108 floors and is constructed primarily from steel and glass, giving it a sleek and contemporary appearance. The building serves multiple purposes: housing offices, a luxury hotel, a shopping mall, and restaurants. It is home to the Ritz-Carlton, Hong Kong, which is one of the highest hotels in the world, offering spectacular views of the city and Victoria Harbour. The ICC is owned by Sun Hung Kai Properties, one of the largest real estate companies in Hong Kong. The ICC is not only notable for its height, but also for its architectural design and high-quality facilities. It plays a significant role in Hong Kong's economy by housing the headquarters of various financial institutions and major banks. As a symbol of Hong Kong's development and modernization, the ICC stands as a testament to the city's growth and its importance in the global business landscape.